Hey guys, and welcome to this week's episode of Luxury Living NYC, where I am so excited. We are in Harlem again, and this time we're gonna go and see a fabulous two-family, it could be a one-family, with Michael and James. And listen, before we go though, I'm gonna need you to like, subscribe, share this with a friend who's thinking about moving to New York City, and this can help you to figure out what you will get in Harlem. Let's go. I am so excited. We are inside. Thank you so much. We have Michael from Brown Harris Stevens and we have James from Compass. And tell me about this place. It is so spectacular.
This is a really special townhouse here in Harlem. The owner spent no detail, completely gut renovating this space. It's 19 feet wide. It's massive. You'll see the outdoor space is really phenomenal. It's a nice quiet oasis and you would never tell that you're in the middle of Harlem.
Actually, I'm like, it is really quiet. Yeah. Sorry. Continue.
Just to add on to what James said, I'd also mention it's on a fantastic block in Harlem. Mm-hmm. Picture perfect. We're actually 2 doors over from the Langston Hughes house. So you have a little bit of a Harlem history there. And just to add on to what James said about the level of detail, for this townhouse, I think it's the perfect blend of keeping some of the historical architecture that's in the house, while also, as you will see, just all the modern, just great details that a typical owner will expect to see.
Yeah. And it's great too because this place is a two-family.
Correct.
Right? Which is always really nice, especially if you want a little bit of extra income when you're living in a fabulous home, because it's a triplex up top.
Correct.
And then a rental downstairs.
Exactly. And it's very easy to convert forth into a single family. It can be the in-law unit or just have a really killer entertainment space that will go directly outside the backyard.
Okay, so I'm gonna say this. In-law unit may be the smartest thing ever, but don't make it too comfortable because you don't want your in-laws to stay with you for forever.
It's small.
Yeah,
Small.
keep it small, uncomfortable, and then they'll come, enjoy the space, and then you can send them on their way. No, I love it. Exactly. All right, so tell me about this gorgeous kitchen.
Absolutely. So the owner, she's a big cook. So she put a lot of attention to detail in the space. So we have the Bosch dishwasher, we have a GE refrigerator, and just a beautiful, beautiful quartz stone that's throughout.
Yeah, and then it's awesome because that flows straight into here. So you also have the dining space. And then I see a fun hidden closet where Harry Potter lives under the stairs.
Absolutely.
And then straight into this living area.
Absolutely.
So it's kind of the perfect flow for all entertaining needs.
You'll see throughout the home, a lot of the original crown molding, they basically resurfaced it to the best of their ability, repainted it. Most of it will be a dark wood. So we wanted to bring the sort of the lighter colors out. That tends to be more of the trend these days versus a dark wood. So you'll see that throughout. There's a lot of attention to detail, a lot of thought that went into this process.
Awesome. Great. Well, I'm excited. I think James is going to show me the outside.
Absolutely. So enjoy outside.
Thank you. All right, awesome. So this is so fantastic.
Right.
Tell me about this outdoor space.
This is incredible. So it's 2 levels. The owner did, again, no attention to detail was spared here. We have a really cool pergola down there. She planted these beautiful trees. So in the summer, you get beautiful greenery to look at, a lot of cover. And then we'll see actually fall change the leaf color. Yeah. And then in fall, we'll actually see leaves change colors in fall.
I would just stay here for forever, but I think I kind of want to see the rest of the house. Does that work?
Wait until you see the primary bedroom.
Yay, I'm excited. Let's go. This is beautiful. Tell me about this.
It's a full floor primary suite. There's
beautiful.
this really spacious space. You can see that she has plenty of room for a couch, but the real surprise is gonna be behind that door for you. Go check it out. I feel like you're gonna like this a lot. Can you imagine?
Oh my gosh, I live here now. This is an amazing closet.
Right?
And it gets even better. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh.
I mean, this is like a spa in your home.
This is so beautiful. And I love when people do the separate sinks.
Yes.
I mean, double vanity is great, but you're still gonna knock into someone.
Right.
Separate, this tub is gorgeous.
And then in the tub, you have this beautiful street view. But honestly, my favorite thing is that she kept the fireplace.
I do love this. That original detail is just gorgeous.
I mean, that's feel like something that you don't really see in primary suites. Most
Yeah.
people just yank it out, but she really took the time to refurbish that, and like it's such a cool detail.
I love it. That's so great.
Yeah.
Leave my home. I'm just kidding.
All right, yeah, I'm out of here.
All right, well, you guys, thank you so much for showing me around. This truly is a very special townhouse.
Yeah, come up, check out Harlem, and please come see this trophy property. It's unlike anything else you'll see up here.
It
Yes.
really is. It really is. A beautiful block, beautiful construction. It's a great home.
Oh my gosh, and before we leave, I do want to point out, second separate entrance for that other apartment. So again, the in-laws, they don't even have to come to your front door. They can just go in their own entrance.
Absolutely.
I
And
love
if
it.
you're looking for income, it's a great income producer.
Yeah, why not have somebody help you pay your monthlies?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Cool.
Awesome. Well, if you guys want to see it, they're happy to show us. Thank you again, and yeah, have a
Thank
great
you.
day.
Thanks, Erin.
Thanks. Bye.